Hello, this is Richard Marks with MME Consulting Services, home of awesome databases. Today I'm going to spend a few minutes and direct you towards a service called Here's How Procedures. This is actually a quick start for time matters, something I've developed over the last 12 years of working with law firms with this product. From my website, I'm going to go to the Products and Services page, and under Products and Services, Here's How Procedures, and click here for details. It's going to open up an introduction to Here's How. Here's How Procedures are really step-by-step instructions based on different topics, 50 plus topics and counting for time matters, features and setups, and billing matters, maintenance, and some general issues. Here's an example of contacts, and if you take the time to read through this, you'll find that this is step-by-step procedures for best practices for entering contacts, including navigating in the contact list, screenshots where needed, step-by-step action steps, and additional information provided as well for the new user who would like a little more context. So there's an example. Let's take a look in Time Matters itself and see what happens here. When you create a new user in Time Matters, you get what I call factory settings. You may notice, for instance, that you have the tips of the day, and you may have the alerts and reminders, the navigator, maybe some options that you're not really looking for. At the same time, your toolbar may have things on here that you're not really sure what they are, that you're going to even use them. So that's another issue that you may want to take a look at. The daily calendar, the whole set of what we call user level settings are simply just a loose collection of things that Time Matters thought might be helpful. On the other hand, I'm going to relog in, and using something called a feature package, I've downloaded some very specific settings. I want you to notice as one example that on my toolbar I have a calendar setting, and daily, weekly, monthly are all available from one icon. Alerts, my list, events, to-dos, contacts, matters, documents are all nicely organized. Message, inbox if I'm using Time Matters email, as well as add record icons and the launcher. Now you may customize, add, and subtract from this for different users, but it's a great start. In addition, a lot of the settings focus around the calendar. With the Here's How Procedures download, you'll find that the calendar is set up to show you all of the things you want to see around filling out a completed event form. You're going to see the description. You're going to see the regarding information, such as the matter or case reference, the client, who it's with, and where's the location. And all that is going to show up on your daily calendar in the header. In addition, you'll be able to see if the event has been marked done or not. And that also carries through to all of your to-dos and to your supporting records as well. So in Time Matters, there simply are a vast number of choices under these user level settings for list options, as you can see, for form options, as well as an incredible amount of choices available for the daily calendar. Back to the website, we'll see that from MME Consulting Services, once you're part of the system, there's actually access to basic procedures, advanced topics, billing matters, and all this is downloadable, including a binder, and I provide you with a binder of the basic procedures. In Time Matters, in addition, in the initial setup, we're going to create a special Here's How procedure matter and organize these different topics using the Time Matters document system. So here, for instance, are the procedures for the daily calendar, for documents in TM Save, for the different forms, maintenance, and setup. You'll find also that there are procedures for your in-house Time Matters administrator. So if you're looking to save some time and money with Train the Trainer approach, you'll find that Here's How Procedures is really directed towards that. I hope this has been instructive in showing you how Here's How Procedures can get you off to a quick start. Again, this is Richard Marks with MME Consulting Services, home of awesome databases. Thank you very much for your time.